Automatic decorticator can extract plant fiber, cleans the fiber extraction, suitable for sisal, suitable for sisal, jute, banana stalks, pineapple leaves, marijuana, rami, etc. Fiber processing. Raw materials are passed automatically or manually. Feeder fed into the fiber extractor. The feeding mechanism feeds the raw material into the blade drum. Break the mesophil of the raw material. Separate the fibers. In order to make the fiber quality better, use with a fiber brushing machine. Operation is very simple and safe, and it can remove the colloidal epidermis of plants such as sisal, jute, canaf, and marijuana. Increase fiber volume and grade. For subsequent processing, the two machines can be used together, dramatically increase the efficiency of your plant.